Welcome back. Well, artificial intelligence program ChatGPT unveiling a new tool which could help teachers detect whether or not students are using AI to write their essays. The AI test classifier detects 5 possible outcomes for any given test, calling it likely generated by AI to very likely generated by AI. Joining me right now, Competitive Enterprise Institute Director Jessica Malusian. Jessica, great to have you. Tell us more about this feature and why ChatGPT is not perfect.
So people have been using this, downloading the app and having a lot of fun with it. You give it a prompt and it writes something in response, and sometimes it's ridiculous and sometimes it's amazingly accurate. But part of it has been that there's a concern that this could be used by students in the school setting to cheat and not write their own stuff. So happily we see this reaction from the very same group that made the initial tool, saying here's one way that maybe we can mitigate that risk. That won't be the only indicator, right? There's other ideas about making students write in pen and ink again and things like that.
Yeah.
But this is sort of the natural cycle, right? Tech comes, it brings advantages, it brings challenges, and then there's the human reaction to that, which is to innovate solutions to that. So I think it's all good stuff.
Yeah, that's an interesting feature, Joe.
Yeah, Jessica, when you see this app produce a paper in these situations, right? It seems almost too contrived to the point where if I'm a teacher, I could spot this pretty easily that, you know what, this probably wasn't written by a human being. You could tell the difference between the two. Can you not?
Yeah, I think right now you certainly can. I mean, there's no substitute for human judgment, right? There's subtleties that maybe we can't even articulate, but if you've read enough papers as a teacher or a professor, you certainly probably can see the one that was computer generated. So I think there'll be more and more tools and more different ways that we cope with this, but in general, this is a good thing. This is a fascinating new use of this technology, and it'll go places we probably can't even anticipate right now.
Let me switch gears, ask you about